Good morning, sunshine. Ready to kickstart your day like a rock star? Let's dive into a morning routine that'll have you feeling on top of the world, or at least not like you just hit the snooze button 5 times. First things first, wake up with a smile. Yes, I know you're probably thinking, but it's 6 a.m. But a little positivity goes a long way. Flash those pearly whites like you've just won the lottery. Next up, hydrate like a boss. Start your day with a big glass of water. It's like giving your insides a wake-up call. Water, because coffee is not a meal replacement, no matter how much we wish it were. Step 3. Move your body. Get your blood pumping with a bit of movement. Whether it's a quick dance party in your pajamas or some easy stretches, get your body moving. Remember, if you're dancing like nobody's watching, it's because nobody is, except maybe your cat. Step 4. Eat a power breakfast. Time for a power breakfast. Fuel up with something nutritious. Think of it as giving your engine premium fuel. Smoothies, oatmeal, or avocado toast. Whatever makes you feel like a champion. Just skip the donut. Unless it's your cheat day. We won't judge. Step 5. Plan your day with a positive mindset. Before you dive into your day, take a moment to plan it out. Write down your goals and visualize yourself conquering them. A positive mindset is like having a superpower, minus the cape and questionable fashion choices. And there you have it. A morning routine that'll set you up for a day full of energy and positivity. Ready to tackle the world, or at least make it to that 10 a.m. meeting? If you like these tips, don't forget to hit that follow button and subscribe for more awesome content. Have an amazing day.